안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, friends. How have you been? The weather has been up and down crazy. Today, I am recording this to talk to you because last weekend I will be busy for studying and making some videos. 잠깐만요. Wait a minute. I need to put it here looking at the camera, not the screen. It's difficult to recognize the sticker. Pew pew. Pew pew. They can recognize eye contact with the camera. Here we go. So actually, I wanted to record one video like natural vlog, but there is one video pumped up on YouTube, coding live channel. Then it's supposed to be for 3 hours, but 5 hours. So I was exhausted. I couldn't do anything else. So I wanted to chill, just lay down and watch other videos and read books. So it was very important to me because, as you know, I have a list learning coding, and I really deserve, desperate, wants to get how to deploy my homepage and how to upload my homepage to the search engine like Naver or Google. So I was be patient to watch it. I'm happy so much anyway. But some things like talking to you, making YouTube like this, and Sunday I had a homework. It's my homework, making myself. And I don't have colleagues or teachers to push me to do some homework, but I push myself to do something. Well, recently, after I record a video, what I want to do for a month, when Graham left Korea, having a vacation with his family, I'm doing it now. So I'm going to open a channel. Of course, I did many things except exercise. So much excuse. So I have an idea having another channel. Thank you so much. I can judge myself what I have a color. Like, example, most of you guys are 40s. Like 80% of Korean and 20% from abroad. And most of them are 40s, like my age. So it gives me a motivation. I can do something for them. Maybe for them it's very too much. But anyway, so I'm going to open a channel. I've already have an idea, and I've already recorded some videos, like 6 videos. That's so much. 6 videos in 2 weeks, and also I have this channel, and I have another channel as well, teaching middle school students for English. Yes, you can see me. I'm teaching English. Originally I teach math, but recently, as you know, I have many foreign friends, and my fiance is English speaker, so everybody thinks I like better than math. English is better than math, so I'm teaching them. Back to the story. So that's why I was busy and I couldn't record it. I'm sorry, I'm tongue twist. But I had one idea pumped up yesterday. What if I just upload what I'm doing now? It's my like promised myself I want to upload every Monday about between 10 to 12, and it should be, it's my concept, it should be the weekend, like right before uploading. The video should be like recent video. So you can see I stuck at home and I didn't do anything else, just studying, making videos. So what if I just talk to you directly, personally, like this, and show just natural my attitude to show you. Whenever I don't know, one viewer, maybe subscriber, I don't know, one person comment to my channel, like it was positive words. It blew me out, motivates myself to be more positive and show you honestly. So it was one comment. It's a really short comment, but it's really appreciated. 고맙습니다. Really, really appreciated. This is my concept of my vlog. I don't want to show you my, I have many friends and I have like lovely fiance also. What I want to show is that life is very diverse. Koreans doesn't know. We have a similar frame of lifestyle, but well, after I recognize there are many diverse life out there, I accept it, and my life didn't feel horrible. Makes me change. So I listen their diverse life. 진짜 really, I listen their different life, their different thinking or methods and ideas has been like 12 years, I guess, since I met first friend. He's in my video as well. Justin. So, well, if you still watching this video now, I wish you see the word happy. Just make yourself happy and fun. You will recognize one time, wow, this is a good life. You don't need to have the life burden, I guess. So anyway, Graham is coming back on Wednesday. I'm so happy. He's going to leave tomorrow because time differences. He's coming backward, so he needs 2 days. It's coming back. And maybe next weekend I'm going to see some other friends because it's one couple friends coming from America. They have, this is awesome. I can't imagine, like they have a honeymoon for 3 months. Whole US. This is awesome. I want to listen it. And also one of our couple friends from America, and they are living in America and coming with their kids. I want to see them. Yeah, and maybe one of a couple's friend, he's going to go back to England. Maybe I can't see him, but she is staying. His wife will stay here for 2 weeks more, so I wish I can see them because they are my old friends, like 12 years friendship. So I hope, yes, I had to video them. They have 4 kids. I couldn't. They talk to me so blah 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 blah. I couldn't hold my videos. And then yeah, after weekend, some friends will leave soon. Some friends coming to Korea to visit. So I'm going to be busy, but now I'm not. So it's I think it's a great time to talk to you personally, showing my idea, what I'm doing. Like I'm not always crazy going outside, and I love chilling at home and doing something else. I love reading books too with coffee. I love coffee so much. Do you? I wish I can handle the weather with the air conditioner and iced coffee as well. Don't miss your health. Please be healthy. And one time, I wish, really wish we can talk live chat. I tried to convince Graham to get into the video, but he doesn't want to. Like, still shy. But when he's comfortable and he comes in an hour conversation, then probably I wish 진짜 really 진짜 I wish he come get in and talk to you face talk. One time it will be maybe. Thanks to watching this video. I'm sorry I talked to you in English because this is one of my goals to push my channel to the other country, like there is South Asia, Middle Asia, in Europe, like South America. Of course, there are so many videos in America, so I'm fine with them. 미안해, American friends. Well, 감사합니다. 제가 영어로 얘기한 거는 제가 좀 영어로 얘기하는 외국 친구들이 있는데 그 친구들이 한국어로만 얘기하면 잘 못 알아듣죠. 제가 자막을 잘 넣는 것도 아니고 그래서 영어로 얘기했습니다. 이해해 주십시오. 그리고 종종 영어로 할 것 같습니다. 왜냐하면 제 영어가 그렇다지 못하거든요. 한국분들 다 알아듣을 수 있습니다. 그래서 그냥 캐주얼하게 같이 얘기해보려 합니다. 다음 주에 그러면 재미난 비디오가 되기를 바라며 보시겠습니다. 즐거운 일주일 되시지요.